The deepest wounds aren't caused by strangers. They're caused by the people we trust the most. Today's story might make you think twice before trusting anyone. Ryan was the eldest son in a poor family. His father had passed away when he was only 15, leaving Ryan responsible for his mother and younger sister Emma. Every morning, Ryan worked at a construction site. Every evening, he studied by the light of a broken lamp. He had one dream: to give his family a better life. Years later, Ryan finally succeeded. He started a small business that slowly became successful. Soon he bought a beautiful house and made sure his mother never had to work again. One day, his uncle David came to visit. "Ryan," he said warmly, "I'm proud of you. Your father would be happy." Ryan trusted him completely. A few weeks later, Uncle David came with another request. "I found a great investment. If we invest together, we'll double your money." Ryan hesitated. His mother smiled and said, "He's family. We can trust him." Ryan invested almost all of his savings. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. Then one morning, David disappeared. His phone was switched off. His office was empty. Ryan had lost everything. The bank seized his business. His dream house was sold. The family was back where they had started. Ryan couldn't believe it. The person who destroyed his life wasn't a stranger. It was his own uncle. His mother cried every night, "I never thought my own brother could do this." Ryan felt broken. He blamed himself. One rainy evening, while sitting alone in a park, an old homeless man sat beside him. "You look like you've lost everything," the man said. Ryan nodded. "I trusted the wrong person." The old man smiled gently. "Money can be stolen. Trust can be broken. But character no one can take that away." Those words changed Ryan forever. Instead of giving up, Ryan started again. This time, he worked harder than ever. He delivered food during the day. He repaired phones at night. He saved every single dollar. 5 years later, Ryan built another business. This one became even bigger than the first. One afternoon, a familiar face walked into his office. It was Uncle David. He looked older, weaker, and exhausted. "I lost everything," David whispered. "Please help me." Ryan looked into his uncle's eyes. The man who once betrayed him was now begging for mercy. Ryan quietly handed him a small envelope. Inside was enough money for food and rent. David began to cry. "After everything I did, why are you helping me?" Ryan smiled. "Because I refuse to become the kind of person who hurt me." David lowered his head in shame. As he walked away, he realized something painful. The nephew he had betrayed had become a better man than he ever was. Ryan never forgot the betrayal, but he also never allowed it to destroy his heart, because revenge might satisfy your anger, but forgiveness sets you free. Moral of the story: the greatest betrayal often comes from those closest to us. But your future is defined by your choices, not by the people who hurt you. If this story touched your heart, subscribe for more emotional English stories that improve your English while teaching powerful life lessons. See you in the next story.